YouTube automation is one of the most effective methods for making money online. What if we told you there is a secret way to double up your income and make even more without you having to do anything yourself? Will you implement it? The best part is that there is no competition for what we are about to share with you, and you are going to make money as long as you put in the effort. If that's the case, this video is for you. Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. Entering an evergreen niche with a high CPM is one of the best ways to make money with YouTube automation. The only issue is that these high CPM niches are incredibly saturated. But there is a secret way to start in these niches and get a ridiculous amount of views. You may be wondering what this secret strategy with no competition is by now. Let us lay it out for you. Did you know that native Spanish speakers outnumber native English speakers? This may surprise you, but even though English is the default universal language, more people speak Spanish as their first language. Aside from Spanish, many other languages are spoken worldwide, including French, Portuguese, Hindi, Arabic, and German. When it comes to YouTube automation, there are a lot of opportunities if you look at it as a way to make money. The best part is that most people are unaware of this. While researching this secret YouTube automation strategy with no competition, we came across some channels that are doing exactly what we are about to show you. This MrBeast channel was one we came across. If you're on YouTube and watching this video, you've seen one of his videos or heard of him. His channel was launched on February 20th, 2012, and now has over 140 million subscribers. This channel receives over 1 billion monthly views and is estimated to make over 7 figures monthly. Well, the type of videos he makes are different from what we're trying to focus on right now. What we'll concentrate on is their strategy. MrBeast creates some of the most popular English language viral videos online, but he's clever. MrBeast translates his English videos into other languages because he knows many people need help understanding his English videos. This made him realize that the content he creates is only understood by a small percentage of the world's population. MrBeast, on the other hand, wants to ensure that everyone understands his videos so that he can gain more views and build a company. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face using your own voice or making videos at all. On a recent podcast with Joe Rogan, he mentioned that he doesn't do any extra work and outsources everything to his team. Isn't that clever? So the videos uploaded on the original MrBeast channels are still being uploaded on the other different dubbed channels. All he does is pay voice actors to dub over them, and then they translate the text in the video to a foreign language so that other people can understand. So it all boils down to the YouTube automation format where you outsource the work. So knowing that a certain percentage of the global population speaks English, how do we capitalize on this opportunity? You can choose between two approaches. For starters, you can start a new channel in a different language. This will be a completely new channel you have never used before, and you will begin it in a language you have yet to learn how to speak. The second strategy is using your existing videos and simply translating them into another language before posting them to a new channel. This is extremely clever because you already paid for the video in English, and all you have to do is translate it to Spanish and get a new voiceover, and it will work just fine. Many of you wonder how they can translate their videos into Spanish when they know little Spanish. Don't worry, we've got you covered. The first step is to select a model. Do you want to create a new channel, or do you want to translate your existing videos? If you're going to start a new channel, make sure you pick a good niche that also works with other languages. Tutorial videos, animated videos, top 10 videos, life hack videos, luxury videos, and even finance videos are excellent examples of such channels. Dubbed channels are no different than English channels. Brightside is an example of a channel that does this. This channel was founded in March 2017 and has nearly 45 million subscribers. They have this channel in English and another where they translate their videos into Spanish to make more money than they do now. Their Spanish channel was launched on June 1st, 2017, and they now have over 31 million subscribers. We discover they make even more when we combine their earnings from their English and Spanish channels. Psych2Go is another channel that does this. This channel was founded in October 2014 and now has over 10 million subscribers. Here is their English channel, and here is their Spanish channel called Psych2Go Español with over 1 million subscribers. When you look at the videos on these two different channels, they are all the same, from the thumbnail to the video itself. What differs are the words written on the thumbnail and the voiceover generated in the video. The difference is only in language. Here's a reward for sticking around this long in the video. I know you're all wondering why I sound different. That's because I'm using my own voice, sorta. I've switched to 11 Labs, the best AI voice cloning tool on the market, to clone my voice. Click my link in the description if you're interested in trying 11 Labs for yourself for free. Now back to YouTube automation. The good news is that you don't have to show your face on these channels. It's simple to make faceless videos like this. The first step is to write the script. But what do you do because you don't speak the language? You can find a freelancer to work for you on platforms such as Upwork, freelancer.com, Fiverr, or PH Jobs. Following the creation of your script, the next step is to record a voiceover. You must also hire a voiceover artist who can communicate fluently in different languages. For example, if you want your video to be created in Spanish, you will need to hire a voiceover artist who is fluent in Spanish. The good news is that the economy is typically lower in countries where Spanish is spoken than in countries such as the United States and Europe. This means you can get the job done for a reasonable price. These people will make money in their country when they exchange the dollar for their local currency, whereas you haven't spent much. It's a win-win situation. If you're looking for Spanish writers, consider countries in South America. If you don't want to spend money hiring a scriptwriter or a voiceover artist, you can buy AI software that will write the script for you and then use a text-to-speech tool to generate the voiceover. Good AI tools to help you write your script include Copy, AI, and Jarvis, which can do the work for you. We also have a playlist that hosts videos detailing many very good AI writers. AI is great, but we aren't confident that AI tools can write scripts as well as humans. So if you need a script written, we suggest hiring a real person to finish the script. The second step is to obtain the content. Once you've completed the voiceover, look for images and videos that will help explain what's being said in the voiceover. The content used will be similar to that of other languages. If you need stock footage of a luxury vehicle, for example, you can upload the same clip as you would on an English video. So it's similar to the content. If you're looking for stock footage and have more time than money, we recommend using Storyblocks, one of the best stock footage platforms with high-quality videos. If you'd prefer to use an AI video solution that will read your script and select stock footage for you, we recommend you use Pictory. You can try Pictory for free using my link in the description. Assuming you're using Storyblocks, you must type in a keyword for what you want to see on the video. For example, if we need a video about basketball, we have to type in basketball, and we'll be presented with a suitable clip. If we need a Ferrari for our video, we can type it in, and it will appear. Storyblocks will find an excellent clip for any keyword we enter. It would be best to find a good video editor who understands Spanish or any other language you are attempting to do so that they can create a matching video. Consider this. If you allow an English editor to edit a video in Spanish, he will struggle to put the video together because he needs help understanding the language. If you use Pictory to create your video, you should be done editing in only a few minutes. After editing your video and everything is perfect, the third step is to find a thumbnail designer. The person creating the thumbnail does not necessarily have to be fluent in Spanish or whatever language you're attempting. It depends on the thumbnail's format. If you require text on your thumbnail, you may need the services of a Spanish speaker. However, if you have a straightforward format and the majority of your thumbnails do not require any or a lot of text, you could still go with someone who only speaks English because it is only about the design of the thumbnail. Like everything else, this secret YouTube automation strategy has a few pros and cons to this method. Other languages such as Spanish have less competition, which is good, but their CPM can be much lower as well. However, because video production costs are lower, it is worthwhile. Imagine creating content in a niche with a $10 CPM in English, but the niche is so competitive you only get 2,000 views. Now imagine creating a content in that same niche for a Spanish-speaking audience. The CPM may only be $8, but you could perhaps reach 5 times as many viewers. Creating a new video is unnecessary if you translate your existing videos. You translate your results into another output form with your current English video. You only reach a different audience than if you only spoke English. So if you're selling a product on the back end, you can now sell to a different demographic. This is precisely why MrBeast is acting in this manner. MrBeast has Feastables and MrBeast Burgers, so if he becomes famous in other countries, he may be able to launch these businesses there and sell a lot of stuff. The most crucial aspect of all of this is to ensure that you have a fully functional team that does not need to speak the language that you are attempting to learn. Otherwise, it will be difficult because you will have a lot of grammatical errors and will not know whether it is correct or not. So make sure to assemble the best team possible fully. Starting channels in different languages can be an excellent option for you, and there is no competition because only a few people are doing it yet. We'd love to hear what you think about this. Can you implement this strategy and potentially double or triple your income? Comment down below and let's engage. We enjoy hearing from you. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube Cash Cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know about the viral YouTube automation strategy with zero competition in 2023. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing about the 5 best AI video generators with AI Avatar 2023. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know about the 5 best AI video generators with AI Avatar 2023. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.